Finally, we're at pigeon selection time. So 13 people involved. That's not including me, so there's 13 different people. The easiest way for me to do it is I'm going to select 13 pigeons and I'm going to read out the ring number of each one as I select it. Then I'm going to pull a name out of here. Look, got all the names in here of the 13 people. I've used your YouTube names because I don't know all your real names, so I'm going to use your YouTube names. So I'll go, right, pigeon ring number, this colour, pull her name out, write it down. I'll then put it all into the comments so you can see exactly who's following what. And then when I go to put the ETS rings on, which I think I'm going to do as I basket them on Friday for the first race, although I might do it on a training toss, then I'll show the pigeon and you can then see exactly which one it is that you're following. So we're going to kick off. I'm too short, but I don't know exactly which two yet. So I'm going to pick 13 that I think are there. And then if it turns out I'm one of those short, we'll have to do a substitute. Okay, so, right, first one, obviously, the grizzle. So what I'll do is, for the obvious ones, I won't tell you the ring number. No, I'll tell you what I will. So that's IHU 21S 093638, as bred by Michael Feeney. So the lucky person having the grizzle, Josh Webster. So the grizzle's yours, Josh. So I'll jot that down now. Josh Webster. Okay, next one is the red, because again, I know that one's there. So the red checker, which is 21B 40822. And the person having the red, Bobby Gregory. Bobby, the red's yours. So, Bobby Gregory. Okay, next one up is a pencil, and that's another Irish one. So IHU 21S 093635 is going to David Richards. Another one bred by Michael Feeney. So that one's David Richards, the pencil. Okay, next one is a dark checker hen, bred by Tony Cottrell on the South Coast. Probably a long distance pigeon really, but it's in the team. 21R 16971. That's going to Mazda Special. Whoever you are, Mazda Special, that one's yours. So the dark checker hen, Mazda Special. Okay, next up is a blue white flight cock, also bred by Tony Cottrell. And the person having that one, and it's 21R 17205, Anglemere Lofts. I think that's right, Anglemere Lofts. That one's going to, so Anglemere Lofts. Okay, next up, another pencil, because I know what that one's there. 21N for November 79086. Joe McClarton. Joe, that one's all yours. Joe McClarton. Okay, next one. Let's get some of the ones that I actually bred. So I'm pretty sure that the checker 21B 40821. Stephen, I know you've been doing lots of commenting on me for me, mate. So yeah, Stephen, that one's yours. Stephen Hawkins, Muddy Boots or something, isn't it, your name? So Stephen Hawkins. Okay, another dark checker. GB21B 40829. That's Ashley Steer. So 40829 is Ashley Steer. Okay, next one is 40848. That's 21B 40848. It's a checker cock, and that's Randy's. Randy wanted the red, but he's got this one. So that's Randy's. Randy. Steak. Okay, next one is 40834. 21B 40834. King Gaming. You were the last person to comment. That one's yours. King Gaming. We've got 3 left. 3 left. So we're going to go with 21B 40841. Bred by myself. That's a checker hen. That's going to Neville. Neville's put some nice comments on. Okay, and then we're going with the last Irish one, IHU 21S093640. It's a checker hen. That's Henry 147147. Henry 147147. And finally, Terry. Again, I know you've been commenting loads. Terry Stevenson. Your pigeon is 40826, 21B 40826. Terry Stevenson. If any of these birds are missing, I will literally just move to the next pigeon down on the list, and that will be the substitute, but we'll find that out when I go to do the rings. Between now and Friday, we'll get all those done. So yeah, you've got your birds. If you want to comment any names, perfect. I'll add names on next to them, and that'll be a great way for us to follow them through instead of just using your own name. Wicked. Have a great evening, everyone.